This video I will explain how to increase the sales using Google Pay QR and rewards. First we will see what is Google Pay. Google Pay is a digital payment app that allows customers to pay directly from their bank account using their mobile phone. Customers do not need cash or cards. They only need to scan a QR code and enter their UPI PIN. Now we will see what is a Google Pay QR code. A Google Pay QR code is a printed square code that belongs to your shop or business. When customers scan this QR code, your shop name appears on their phone. They enter the amount. Money goes directly to your bank account. There is no machine, no swipe, and no extra charge. Now we will see why Google Pay helps to increase the sales. Using Google Pay QR and rewards helps your business in three main ways. More customers choose your shop. Customers buy more items. Customers return again and again. We will see why it happens. First point is customers prefer shops that accept Google Pay. Many customers today do not carry cash, prefer fast and safe payments, trust UPI payments. When customers see a Google Pay QR at your shop, they feel comfortable. They are more likely to buy. They are less likely to walk away. This directly increases your number of sales. Second point is rewards motivate customers to spend more. Google Pay often gives customers rewards like scratch cards, cashback, discount coupons. These rewards appear after payment. Because of rewards, customers feel they are saving money. Customers are happy to pay digitally. Customers sometimes buy extra items to qualify for rewards. This increases your average bill value. Third point is faster payments mean more customers per day. Cash payments take time, finding change, counting money, and handling mistakes. Google Pay payments are quick, accurate, and instant. Faster payments mean shorter queues, faster service, more customers served per day. More customers mean higher daily sales. Fourth point is customers trust digital payment records. Every Google Pay payment is recorded, shows a date and amount, and the payment is visible in bank history. Because of this, customers trust the payment. There are fewer arguments. Business looks professional. Trust leads to repeat customers. Fifth point is easy to offer small discounts and offers. You can encourage Google Pay usage by saying, pay with Google Pay and get a small discount. Google Pay preferred here. Even a small offer attracts attention, encourages digital payment, increases customer satisfaction. Happy customers come back again. Sixth point is no extra cost for the business owner. Using a Google Pay QR does not require a machine, does not charge monthly fees, does not reduce your profit. You receive the full amount directly into your bank. Now we will see the simple example. A customer wants to buy items worth of 180 rupees. Without Google Pay, customer may hesitate if they have no cash. With Google Pay, customer scans QR, pays easily, gets a reward scratch card, feels happy, and comes back again. This is how one digital payment leads to repeat sales. Now we will see key points to remember. Google Pay QR makes payment easy and fast. Rewards encourage customers to pay more and return. Faster billing means more customers per day. Trust and convenience increase long term sales. No extra cost for the shop owner.